Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife Kara.
Hello, it's unboxing time.
So we got a really cool unboxing to do from our homie Lavender Pants 86. I'm just fixing the camera. This is also a knife he sent us in the past. This is the Ausis. That's the one I just banged with. So let's get into this box.
Wait, I thought there was somebody else's stuff in here.
Nope. This came from Metal Complex directly to us. So let's get her done.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the box down here because I didn't conceal the address at all.
So I guess
it's just a P.O. box.
The MC's badass stickers. First up,
we have this.
Ooh, careful with that.
That's dope.
Careful with that.
That's some dope ass stuff.
EDC. All right, first up we have. I don't get nothing.
I just read what it was. It's a mini booger. Oh my god, it's purple.
It's awesome.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get the white one and I wanted to dye it.
I have the full size. Let me pull out the full size one. It's right here. So this is the mini version of the big one. Put it up next to it.
It's so much better.
It's so tiny.
It's so much better. It's so much better.
Is it?
It's so much better.
How do you feel?
Oh my god, I don't even want to give it to you. It's so much better.
It's a little tiny for me, but this is so cool. I do like this. This is badass.
I want one of these now.
S30V, it's all the same materials. Ooh, it's pretty smooth too.
I need this for work. I need one.
This is really cool. I'd say to take it to work, but
no,
it still has the factory edge and not bad.
I love the purple.
I feel like it's barely been used.
Who dyed this? Did he dye it?
I'm guessing Lavender Pants did, because this don't come like this. So this must have been the white one.
Okay, that's so many flicks.
Okay, sorry. This was the I guess they call it the Stormtrooper colors, the white and black, and then he dyed it purple. Very cool. Let's get to the next one.
Do you know what a Stormtrooper is?
Yes, it's from Star Wars.
Nerd.
I've never really watched Star Wars.
He loves Star Wars.
So I don't know too many references from Star Wars.
Wait, I think I should open this.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I think I should.
Go ahead, baby. Give me the next one.
No!
I get the next one.
Oh, no!
Alright, go ahead.
No!
Go ahead.
I guess that one's bigger.
Did you get two? Oh, I thought that was two. It's awesome.
Guys!
We already know
what look at this!
That's how it comes.
It comes in a leather pouch? I didn't know that. Sorry, I got a little excited.
Yeah, you did.
Look! This is so cool. I forget the name. Oh, and it's the Damascus one. What's the name? What's the name?
Come on, baby.
Tell me the name. Tell me the name.
What is it? Rustic.
Rustic Gent. Rustic Gent. Wow.
What kind of micarta is that, baby?
Mine.
Looks like the snakeskin micarta.
Is it?
It looks
different from ours.
You know, it might. I think they're considering that the snakes. I don't know. Maybe not. It's really cool though.
I didn't even get to finish my flip.
Man, I like them ergos.
You took me out half flip.
This is a really cool backlock. Ooh, baby, you better be careful.
That's scary. That was scary.
It doesn't have a. Oh, it
does.
It does.
Why didn't it? Ooh.
There you
the
go.
walk and the talk.
Oh yeah. This sounds very snappy. Oh yeah, and you know what? It has a really easy opening. Like it literally, like a lot of backlocks, they have like a big resistance right there. This has no. I could do this totally one-handed.
Yeah.
And then let's see if I could do it.
Careful. Steady.
Yeah, it's a little dangerous. You can do it, but it's not. It's
a two-hander.
Definitely a two-hander.
Put it in its home.
Because it's so smooth.
Put it in its knife garage.
Hold on a second.
Very
beautiful Damascus. Hold on, we never show these things.
No, that's not what we do here. We do what we want. Put it in the knife garage.
I'm gonna mess you up.
I want to see it in its home.
There.
It fits so good.
Okay, let me go back to showing
Let me see how easy it is to pull out. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
The Damascus on this thing, I think it's like the raindrop Damascus or something. At least that's what it looks like. Carbon fiber bolsters. It is very, very cool. Very smooth.
I'm glad I didn't cut myself. I could feel how sharp that was though when it touched my
yeah, I did
finger.
too. When I went to close it out myself, I did too. Yeah. You almost have to go like this and then lower it down like that.
I don't think there's really a super safe way to close this one-handed.
It's not one-handed. I wish I could.
You can't. Just don't go there.
I know, but you know I like.
All right, next.
I like to imagine. Okay, next up is another Civivi. This one is, I think this is the Brigand. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, this is a newer one.
Wow. I like this. Oh, the blade geometry is so nice. Nice thin blade stock. It's thin behind the edge. For some reason, in the picture or in the videos, it always looked thicker, like the blade. These type of blades, like, so many companies make them thick that it's hard to tell, you know, like what type of blade geometry it is from just looking at it from the side. This thing is crazy smooth, and you know what else I love about this, baby?
I was trying to use mind power to get it.
You got it?
Yeah. Did you see that, guys? You saw that? Okay.
Do you know what else I like about it? The access to the lock bar. Very good. Very good access to the lock bar.
I'm not sure how I feel about this flipper tab.
Really? I love it.
Let me explain something.
Maybe it's just a big hand.
With my, yes, it's a big hand thing. With my shorter finger, like, for me to hold this in my palm and have my finger up here, I'm already, like, almost straight. So, like, I can't get, like,
you look pretty good, though.
No, I scoot my hand up, though. That's what I'm saying. I either have to scoot my hand up and gain resistance.
So why can't you just do that?
Because I like to hold it in my palm. Okay, now I got it now. Maybe it was just a first.
You just need to get used
maybe
to
it was just a first time flick thing. Yeah. Okay, there it goes.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
The action's
You know what would make this better?
What?
If it had thumb studs.
You think so?
Yeah. I could feel it.
Bang.
Ready?
You middle finger flicked at that time? Okay. I like the action.
This is some nice. This is not FRN, is it? You know, Civivi's been doing this weird G10 lately that kind of has like
It's cheap G10. It is. It's cheaper G10. It's not high quality.
It's cheap 10.
It's not real good quality like you get on Benchmades or Spyder
I don't know if it's bad quality.
It
it's
is.
Just the way
it's
they're
low quality,
texturing
and
it.
that's just one way they can get you G10 in a budget with the quality that they do. Because doing the blade geometry that they do with the steels and the the materials they do, they got to cut a little bit of corners. Like they used to use titanium clips. Do you remember that?
Yes, but people complain about them because they weren't deep carry.
Also, and also I think they it was cheaper for them to just do spring clips. They were like, okay, you want some deep carry clips? Perfect. Lavender Pants, you're awesome. Thank you very much. We really appreciate this. We love you, brother. Thank you.
And like the color of your pants, this knife shall match.
That's why it's that color.
I bet. This is a little more purple. Thank you, guys.
We would show you guys. We are actually wearing lavender pants right now. We're not going to show you, but
yeah, we typically do.